Are black kitchen cabinets right for your home? Dear friends, black kitchen cabinets continue to be a popular trend in design, creating a striking, bold look in both traditional and modern styles. But how do you know if you should choose the dark side or go with a lighter option? Here I am sharing the pros and cons of black cabinets and some ways you can use them to elevate the look of your kitchen. The benefits of black kitchen cabinets. First, let's look at all the benefits of choosing black cabinet refacing for your kitchen design. Sophisticated look. The biggest benefit of having black cabinets is that they add elegance and sophistication to your home. Choose a frameless or flat style for a minimal, modern kitchen and pair them with white and gray elements. If you want a more traditional look and timeless sophistication, select cabinets with more decorative framing and hardware paired. Hide scratches and stains. Your kitchen cabinets get a lot of traffic, they're always being opened or closed, kicked, scuffed, or knocked into. Fortunately, black doesn't show wear and tear like white or light-colored cabinets do, allowing them to maintain their flawless appearance, even when accidents happen. Creates bold contrast. Black cabinets create a bold contrast to other elements in the room, such as white backsplashes, marble or granite counters, and white walls. However, you can also use them to tie several elements together and create a more cohesive style. Creates a cozy feel. You have a large space, high ceilings, or big windows in your kitchen, deeper colors can be used to make it feel more grounded and inviting, whereas a bright, white design may feel too sterile or cold. Consider adding brick, copper, brass, or other warm elements to the space for an overall quaint, cozy feel. The challenges of black cabinets in your kitchen. While there are several benefits to choosing black cabinetry, it's also important to be aware of the challenges they can bring to your kitchen. Frequent cleaning. We mentioned earlier that black cabinets hide stains and scratches, but they can also show dust, fingerprints, and other flaws. You may find yourself spending more time wiping down your cabinets than you originally expected. Can make a space feel small or oppressive. The greatest challenge to having black cabinets is that they absorb light and can make your kitchen feel smaller. This is particularly true in enclosed kitchens with little to no natural light. They don't work well alone. In truth, you will need to pair these kitchen cabinets with some bright fixtures to make your kitchen look great. Dark colors never work so well alone, and you need some brightness in the hardware and decor to even things out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.